Writing for ASCD, Heather Wolpert-Garwin correctly observes that it can be difficult to clearly pinpoint all the roles that coaches perform. And while many coaches can relate, most would agree that despite the number of hats they wear, supporting the professional learning of other educators makes up a large portion of their duties. This ISTE Standards for Coaches emphasizes these critical roles coaches play. It encourages coaches to be strategic, however, and to take an active role in helping building leaders determine the most appropriate forms and topics of professional learning, as well as collecting evidence to determine how effective professional learning has been. Review the 3 objectives for this module. Like every module in this series, you'll collect evidence and create a product that explains your role as an SBITS in Fairfax County Public Schools and how you do or can plan, facilitate, and evaluate the impact of professional learning for staff. You should decide what kind of product best relates to your role and how you contribute to the effective professional learning of all staff. You may choose to craft a position paper or share entries from a reflective journal. Document your practice with images or video, or you may combine multiple elements or create several products. The only requirement is that your ultimate product be digital and that you share it.